Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best convection toaster oven air fryer that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Black Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This stylish and functional oven is ideal for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience with its elegant French doors and stainless steel finish. It boasts 12 versatile cooking functions, including air fry, convection baking, pizza, and roast, making it suitable for everything from crispy fries to perfectly roasted chicken. With the ability to fit a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, it's a fantastic option for medium-sized families. In terms of design and build quality, the French doors are an absolute standout, offering easy access and a premium feel. The intuitive control dial with indicator lights ensures precision while cooking, and the convection fan speeds up cooking time significantly. However, it does weigh 19.91 pounds, which means it's not the most portable option. The included air fry basket, baking pan, crumb tray, and rack add convenience to your cooking routine. The Black Decker Crisp and Bake is a great mid-tier option for those who want versatility and efficiency without breaking the bank. Its convection technology ensures even cooking, but the smaller capacity might not be ideal for larger households. Overall, it's a solid performer with a stylish design and great value for the price. Coming in at number 4 is the Kosori Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This countertop oven offers an impressive 12 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, and dehydrate, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. With a 26-quart capacity, it's perfect for families, fitting a 12-inch pizza or a 5-pound chicken with ease. Plus, the rapid heat circulation from its 6 heating elements ensures evenly cooked food faster than standard ovens. The Kosori's design is modern and durable, with a stainless steel finish that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. The Smart Control feature lets you connect to the VSync app, enabling voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. This makes it ideal for tech-savvy users who love convenience. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the removable crumb tray and non-stick food tray. However, it's slightly bulky at 22 pounds, so you'll need decent counter space. Overall, the Kosori Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a great choice for families and those who love experimenting with recipes. Its smart functionality and spacious capacity make it stand out, although its reliance on Wi-Fi for some features might not suit everyone. It's packed with value for the price, making it a worthy contender. At number 3, the Brevel BOV 860 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer and Convection Oven brings top-tier performance and versatility to your kitchen. With 11 cooking functions, including air fry, toast, bake, roast, and slow cook, it's like having multiple appliances rolled into one. Brevel's Element IQ system uses smart algorithms and 5 independent quartz elements to distribute heat precisely, ensuring even cooking and eliminating cold spots. The convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%, making it ideal for faster meal preparation. Design-wise, this oven is sleek and sophisticated, with a brushed stainless steel finish that exudes quality. The large capacity can handle a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or even a 9-cup muffin tray, making it suitable for families or avid home chefs. The LCD display adds a modern touch and makes it easy to select functions and monitor cooking progress. While it's slightly heavy at 22.8 pounds, the build quality ensures durability. The Brevel Smart Oven Air Fryer is perfect for those who prioritize precision and performance. It's more expensive than other options, and its premium features might not be fully utilized by casual cooks. However, if you're looking for a reliable and versatile countertop oven, the Brevel is worth every penny. At number 2, we have the Quezinart Air Fryer plus Convection Toaster Oven, the premium option on this list. With 8 cooking functions, including air fry, convection bake, broil, grill, and warm. This 1800-watt powerhouse delivers consistent results across all its settings. The large capacity can toast 6 slices of bread, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken, making it ideal for medium-sized families or dinner parties. The stainless steel design is both durable and aesthetically pleasing, fitting perfectly into a modern kitchen. It features an adjustable temperature dial, a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector for added convenience. The built-in oven light and non-stick interior make monitoring and cleaning effortless. At 23.1 pounds, it's not the lightest option, but its sturdy construction ensures long-term reliability. The Quezinart air fryer plus convection toaster oven is ideal for those who want a premium, versatile appliance capable of handling a variety of meals. While it's the most expensive on this list, its superior build quality and performance justify the price. Its only downside is that it lacks smart features, but it excels in delivering top-notch cooking results. Finally, at number 1, we have the NuWave Brevel Pro Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. As the budget-friendly option on this list, it packs an impressive set of features for its price. With 10 pre-programmed presets, including air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, it offers versatility and convenience for daily cooking tasks. The improved 2025 digital display is user-friendly and allows on-the-fly customization of fan speed and heat distribution, making it perfect for everything from crispy pizzas to tender roasts. The compact design is ideal for small kitchens, RVs, or motorhomes, yet it has a surprisingly large capacity that can accommodate a 12-inch pizza or a 4-pound chicken. The high-speed fan delivers crispy results, while the multi-layer cooking system ensures even heat distribution across different racks. At 16 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to move around, and the included accessories like the air fry basket and crumb tray add value. The NuWave Brevel Pro is perfect for budget-conscious buyers who want a reliable and versatile convection toaster oven. While it's not as feature-rich as premium models, it delivers excellent performance for its price. Its compact size and intuitive controls make it an easy pick for those who want quality without overspending. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.